Welcome to this Excel tutorial. Today, I'll guide you through creating a visually impactful stacked column chart, just like the one you see here, which clearly displays region-wise quarterly sales, along with the total sales for each region. This type of chart is perfect for business reports, dashboards, or any sales analysis, as it provides a comprehensive and easy-to-read summary of your data. Let's begin by preparing our data table, as shown on the left side of the screen. Here, we have quarterly sales data for 4 regions, with columns for sales Q1 through Q4, and a final column for the total. To calculate the total sales for each region, select the range from cell G7 to G10. With these cells highlighted, press the Alt and = keys on your keyboard. This shortcut quickly inserts the sum formula for each row, automatically calculating the total sales for each region, which you can see in bold in column G. Next, select the entire data table, including the headers and the totals column. With your data selected, go to the Insert tab and choose the 2D clustered column chart. This will insert a basic column chart into your worksheet. Once the chart appears, increase its size by dragging the corners so it's large and easy to read. This makes your chart more prominent and visually appealing in your report. Now, to better visualize the data, click on the chart and go to the Chart Design tab. Select Switch Row Column. You'll notice the chart changes from showing quarterly sales to displaying region-wise sales, with each region now represented by a group of columns. This allows us to clearly allocate total sales for each region. To clean up the chart, remove the Y-axis and the default chart title. This gives your chart a cleaner, more professional look. Next, select the column chart and open the Change Chart Type option. In the window that appears, tick the secondary axis box for the total series. This overlays the total sales column on top of the region-wise sales columns, making the total stand out. Now, select the total column series and open the Format options. Choose a gradient fill for the total column and set the color as desired. In this way, we can allow region-wise individual column charts. With the total series still selected, go to the series options and set the gap width to around 30%. This widens the columns, making the chart easier to read and more visually balanced, as seen here. Next, let's add data labels to the total column chart. Right-click on the total series and select Add Data Labels. You'll see the total sales values appear above each region. To add data labels for each region's quarterly sales, select the individual series and open the Format Chart options. Add and customize the data labels for each quarter, so viewers can see the exact sales values for each quarter. Sometimes you may find it difficult to add data labels for the quarterly sales if the total column overlaps with them. If this happens, temporarily increase the gap width so you can add the data labels individually. Once all data labels are added, reduce the gap width back to 30% to maintain the chart's appearance. Finally, format the text contents, such as the data labels and region names, to enhance clarity. Adjust the font size, color, and style to match your report's theme. In this chart, bold fonts and clear labels make the data easy to interpret. As a final step, check your chart by updating the regional sales data and observe how the total columns and data labels update dynamically. This ensures your chart remains accurate and interactive as your data changes. And that's it. You've now created a dynamic, visually appealing stacked column chart in Excel, just like the one shown here, which clearly displays both region-wise and total sales. This chart is ready to be added to your business reports or dashboards for impactful data visualization. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Excel tips and tutorials.